Tire Protectant Sprays prevent cracking, fading, and drying, enhance appearance, and extend tire lifespan while protecting against UV and environmental damage. My today's video is about top 5 best tire protectant spray that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at 303 products. Tire Protectant Spray. 303 Tire Shine Spray is a premium solution for keeping your tires looking vibrant, glossy, and well protected. Its long-lasting formula delivers a durable shine that lasts for weeks, while preventing common issues like cracking, fading, and dry rot. The spray offers superior UV protection, forming a strong shield that preserves the tire's rubber and keeps it looking newer for longer, even under harsh sunlight. Unlike many tire products, 303 Tire Shine uses a water-based formula free of silicones and harsh chemicals, making it safe for frequent use without harming your vehicle, surroundings, or skin. Application is simple: shake well, spray evenly across the tire face, wipe off any overspray, and allow 15 to 30 minutes to dry before driving. With over 40 years of expertise, 303 products consistently provide reliable, high-quality protection for cars, boats, and more. This Tire Shine not only enhances appearance but also extends tire life, making it a practical and aesthetic upgrade for any vehicle owner. Now our second product is Armor All Tire Protectant Spray. Armor All Original Formula Car Protectant is a standout solution for maintaining and restoring your car's interior. Its powerful formula effectively removes dirt, dust, and debris, leaving surfaces impeccably clean without any greasy residue. Beyond cleaning, it protects vinyl, plastic, and rubber from harmful UV rays, helping prevent fading, cracking, and aging, so your interior stays looking fresh for years. The protectant doesn't just maintain, it revitalizes, restoring deep luster and shine to dashboards, panels, consoles, and vinyl seats. Easy to apply and non-greasy, it ensures a polished finish without sticky buildup. The 1-gallon refill makes it convenient for frequent use, keeping your car interior consistently protected and vibrant. While many products claim to protect, Armor All's original formula delivers trusted, comprehensive care. For anyone looking to preserve their vehicle's interior beauty, enhance shine, and defend against the elements, this protectant is a reliable, versatile, and essential car care product. Our third product is Car Guys Tire Protectant Spray. Car Guys Tire Shine Spray is a versatile and premium solution for achieving perfectly polished tires. Its formula allows you to customize the finish, from a glossy wet look to a smooth satin sheen, giving full control over your tire's appearance. The product dries quickly to the touch, leaving no greasy residue or runoff, while the included applicator pad ensures precise, mess-free application. Beyond aesthetics, it provides long-lasting protection, hydrating tires, and shielding them from UV damage that causes fading, cracking, and browning. Infused with a proprietary polymer, a single coat delivers durable shine that endures the elements. The non-greasy formula eliminates streaks or sling, offering a professional, clean finish every time. Made in the USA with advanced science and quality control, Car Guys prioritizes both performance and reliability. Combined with attentive customer support, this tire dressing is an ideal choice for anyone looking to enhance tire appearance while ensuring lasting protection. Now number 4, Chemical Guys Tire Protectant Spray. Chemical Guys Tire Kicker Tire Shine, TVD113SW, is a high-performance tire dressing designed to restore and protect your vehicle's exterior surfaces. Its sprayable formula delivers a deep, wet look to rubber, vinyl, and plastic, reviving dull and faded surfaces with a rich, showroom-quality shine. Beyond aesthetics, it shields tires, trim, bumpers, and weather stripping from UV damage, preventing cracking, fading, and discoloration caused by the elements. Safe for multiple surfaces, it works on exterior tires, interior trim, engine bay plastics, and even marine applications, making it highly versatile. The easy spray application allows precise control, whether applied directly or with an applicator pad, and it spreads evenly to leave a streak-free, dry-to-the-touch finish without greasy residue. Ideal for cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, and boats, this tire shine restores color and luster while enhancing overall vehicle appearance. With its professional quality results, Chemical Guy's Tire Kicker ensures a polished, long-lasting finish that impresses every time. And our last choice is Aero Cosmetics Tire Protectant Spray. Rubber Care Ceramic is a premium, aircraft-grade rubber and plastic treatment that sets a new standard in protection and restoration. Its advanced triple nano ceramic polymer formula delivers unmatched UV resistance, keeping surfaces from fading, cracking, or deteriorating under harsh sunlight. When applied as directed, it leaves a rich, dark black satin/matte finish that is dry to the touch and resistant to dirt and brake dust, ensuring rubber stays cleaner for longer and is easier to maintain. Certified to meet Boeing aircraft specification D6-17487T, this product provides professional-grade care for tires, weather stripping, and any rubber or plastic surfaces. Its versatility extends beyond aviation, making it ideal for cars, trucks, RVs, and other vehicles, offering long-lasting protection and a sophisticated finish. Once experienced, Rubber Care Ceramic redefines expectations, demonstrating that aircraft-quality performance surpasses standard automotive treatments in durability, shine, and surface care. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.